I'm going to show you how to fix the error while communicating with Rocket League servers. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So I'm going to show you different methods you can follow to fix this error. So the first thing, if you are on console or PC, I will recommend you to restart the game. And after that, if it doesn't work, you can directly restart your console or your PC. And if that doesn't work, I recommend you to go to the folder, go to documents, go my games. Then right here, you will find Rocket League, open this folder, and then delete the cache folder and open the game again. So this will probably fix the issue, but if it doesn't, another fix you can follow is open Rocket League, open Epic Games, and then you need to go to your library and find Rocket League. So once you are here, you need to click the three dots, go to Manage, and verify the files. So basically by clicking this button, it will verify that all the files are installed correctly, and if they are not, it will start downloading the missing files. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.